Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. So today's video is Christmas preparations because it's almost Christmas, kind of, sort of. It's still like another month away, but you know what? Who cares? We're gonna start Christmas preparations on this channel today, which is the Tuesday before Thanksgiving. Yeah, let's get started with this extreme Christmas preparation video. So the first step is the outfit, and obviously if it's a Christmas preparation video, then we have to do a Christmas ugly sweater, which is perfect because today outside it's like 20 degrees and it's snowing and there's a lot of snow and it's snowy and it's winter. So it's perfect for a sweater. I mean, this outfit looks Christmassy-ish. It just kind of looks more wintry than actual Christmassy. I got this ugly Christmas sweater, which is actually really cute, but it's from Target. It's a men's Christmas sweater because I like the men's designs better. It's really cute. Let's put it on. Ta-da! And I'm way too lazy to change the pants. These actually go really well with the sweater. So first step to this Christmas preparation is done. The sweater is actually really comfortable. I kind of thought the sweater would be more oversized, but it's not. Just the sleeves are kind of long, but whatever. Also, there's a pocket right in here for your drinks. Ta-da! What a look. And now for probably the most exciting part of this video, decorating my room, transforming it into a Christmas wonderland. Maybe not a wonderland, but a nice Christmas display. But the first thing I have to do is take down all of the fall decorations, because it's not fall anymore. Actually, it is still technically fall, but whatever. We can say goodbye to the pumpkins. And now for the holiday decor. Okay, so we're gonna start with this Christmas tree, which is like the only recent Christmas decoration I've gotten. All of these other Christmas decorations we've had for years and years and years. I just kind of raided the little storage area downstairs and I took out all the decorations I really liked. But this tree I got for $15 at Target a few weeks ago. I just thought it'd be fun to have a little mini Christmas tree in my room. Obviously this is artificial, it comes with lights in it, so let's just set it up. There we go. Okay, I think I've kind of pulled out the branches well enough. And now for the ornaments. Yeah, so I only felt like doing one side of the ornament because this glitter is literally everywhere. But let's plug it in and check out the light. Ooh, I love it. Okay, this is a weird angle, but I'm gonna take all of this, whatever this stuff down is, and hang up this advent calendar, which we've literally had since probably before I was born. I think this will look super cute on this hook. This is what it looks like. Very cute, very, very, very cute. So basically, obviously, advent calendars, you count down the days. Each day, you pull off an ornament and put it on the tree, and by the time it's the 25th, all the ornaments will be on the trees. I just think advent calendars are so fun. So I like this here. It's very cute. Literally look how cute that is. Aww. It isn't perfect, but you know what? It looks good enough. If you don't zoom in on the details, then it looks great. And let's add the final touch right here, this bow. Okay, so you know how in like souvenir shops or like the Hallmark store or whatever, they have tons of ornaments that say the year on them so you can like commemorate your vacation or whatever to Palm Springs. Why is that the first place I thought of? And since 2020 was a really weird year and there was not a lot of traveling at all, I don't have a 2020 ornament, so I thought why not make one to commemorate the year. And what better ornament than a toilet paper ornament? Haha, I actually saw this idea on Pinterest on how to DIY your own 2020 toilet paper ornament in celebration of the toilet paper shortage back in March. This part of the video is kind of ridiculous, but whatever. So basically you need this like wooden thing, except I didn't have that, so I'm just using this empty roll of like gift tags. And then you need some ribbon. You're gonna tape the ribbon onto the spool. And then you wind it around just like a toilet paper roll. Kind of looks like a toilet paper roll, and then you have to take a little piece of paper, take the tape, dry erase marker. Finally, we need to run this ribbon through it. I'm just using iridescent ribbon because it's the best. And here we go, the perfect 2020 ornament. I think this is better than all souvenir ornaments that have ever existed. I'm just gonna put it right here. Perfect. Okay, so now it is baking time. We are going to be baking these cookies in the recipe that I found in the last video. These are red velvet crinkle cookies. Honestly, I picked this recipe because first of all, red velvet is quite good, even though it's just chocolate, but it's pretty. And also because there's literally like 3 ingredients and I can actually do that, and I'm lazy and don't want to spend like 4 hours making cookies. So I'll link the recipe down below, but literally you just need a red velvet cake mix, 2 eggs, and a 1/3 cup of oil and some powdered sugar for the very end, and you literally just mix it in a bowl and then chill it in the refrigerator for like half an hour and then put it in the oven, and there you go. So let's make these. Also, like any sort of red food screams Christmas, so another reason why these are perfect. So now the dough is fully chilled. Now I gotta just roll it into the powdered sugar and put it in the oven. So I finally finished rolling up the cookies and now my hands are bright red, but you know what? That's the price you gotta pay for good cookies. Also, FYI, I also went through a really big red velvet phase when I was like in 5th grade. But here are what the cookies look like. It actually made exactly 24 of them. That's how many the recipe said it would make. So that's satisfying. These look really good. I'm gonna put them in the oven. This literally fits in the bowl perfectly. Let's taste test. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is literally so delicious. If you are looking for another Christmas cookie to add to your baking list, do this. The recipe will be linked below. It's so good. Now I'm gonna go eat like all of the other ones. And that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked this video. I really hope it helped you kind of get into the holiday spirit. I'm just super excited for all of the Christmas indoor sort of types of festivities. Get ready for Vlogmas on this channel, which I said in my last video I'm gonna be doing maybe like 3 times a week. So get ready for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want to. Comment down below what you're looking forward to most about the holiday season. Subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day, have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.